Hi guys, today on Simple Cooks, I'm going to be showing you how to make a poached egg. This is really easy to make. So the ingredients you're going to need is some water, a whisk, something to get the poached egg out of, and an egg that's cracked in a bowl. So the first thing you're going to do is on medium-high heat, I have a saucepan and I put some water in it. Now there isn't really an exact measurement for this, but you want it to be about 4 inches above the top of the saucepan. So I'm going to wait for this to simmer, and while I'm waiting, you're going to want to crack an egg in a small bowl. This is a mandatory step, so don't miss it. So I'm just going to wait for this to simmer, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so it simmered, as you can see, and I'm just going to, with my whisk the water until you see a little whirlpool like this, and drop the egg in. Now quickly, you want to put a timer on the clock for 3 minutes, and I'll see you when that's up. Okay guys, so as you can see, the timer just beeped, and you're gonna have to fish for the poached egg, but I finally found it, and I'm just gonna put it onto my plate, and the big reveal. Let's see how it turns out. Ah, look at that, that's awesome. So that's how you make a perfect poached egg. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you're going to enjoy all of our videos on Simple Cooks. Please subscribe. Tell us in the comments down below what we should make next. And until next time, bye.